Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to be starting this journey on YouTube. My goal for this channel is twofold. First, it's to help people like you navigate complex personal finance topics, breaking them down into simple, actionable ideas to help you take control of your own finance. Second, it's to document my own personal finance journey. Whether it's personal finance, credit cards, or business, I want to take you along every step of the way to show you my own successes and failures. I spent over 5 years working in corporate finance at a Fortune 500 company, managing million-dollar budgets day to day. Outside of my 9 to 5, I've had multiple side hustles, including starting an ATM business and eBay reselling. Now, I'm diving into real estate, about to close on my first duplex that I plan to house hack. And in my 5-year journey in finance so far, I'm going to let you in on the biggest secret that I've found. Having success in finance doesn't have to do with the million-dollar companies or the special attitudes or the get-rich-quick schemes. It's about the simple, systematic approach that you take to your finance. Stuff that you can replicate time after time, day after day. Those techniques, compounded over time, is what's going to build wealth. On this channel, my goal is to help you learn these techniques, like maximizing credit card rewards, not being afraid of debt, figuring out how to travel freer, farther, and longer using points and miles, helping you to understand how to build businesses and thrive to have your own financial confidence, and lastly, to help you with budgeting, financing, and investing strategies to help you take control of your own finances. Whether you're brand new and just building credit, or you're a points and miles veteran ready to unlock that next business class flight to Japan or Switzerland, I'm here to break it all down step by step. My goal for this channel isn't just to share tips though. I want to build a community of hustlers, travelers, and entrepreneurs, much like myself, who are chasing financial freedom and want to better their life. Think of me as your no BS finance coach and fellow traveler on this journey. With all that being said, I'm so excited to get started, and if you want practical, transparent, proven strategies on how to grow your money and live on your terms, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment below, and introduce yourself. I'm so pumped you're here, and I'm excited for the future of this channel. Cheers.